In our previous video, Interest on Interest, we introduced the concept of call options. We will now go deeper into call options. Now, what is a call option? As a seller, you offer your shares to be called off you at the price you decide for the time frame you establish. The buyer has the option but not the obligation of calling the shares off you at the agreed price within the established time frame. They get to decide what to do with them. For this offer of allowing your shares to be called off you, you get an income called premium. The price you agree to sell your shares for is called strike price, and the end period of this contract is called expiration date, normally the third Friday of each month. The best moment to buy shares is at the bottom when we expect the shares to start moving back up. Since the call option premium moves with the share price, the best moment to sell a call option is at the top when we expect the shares to start moving back down. As an approximation, for every $1 the share price goes up, the call premium increases by $0.50. Likewise, for every $1 the share price goes down, the call premium reduces by $0.50 approximately. For that reason, we can choose to sell a call option at the top and buy back at the bottom, which enables us to sell another call option at the top again, buy back at the bottom, and so on and so forth. Find us at Empowered Supernova and www.ticn.ie. For more information, contact us at anna@ticn.ie, ana@ticn.ie. Thank you.